Hello everyone, I am Meera and I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. So guys, you know that I am from a little village and from a little town. So I am in the journey of learning English and improving myself in English. So guys, today I will show you some plants because I am from a farmer family too. You can just see. So that's why we have planted many plants in our field. So some of them is a ladyfinger plant. You can just see, this is a ladyfinger plant. Are you watching? Yes. So we have grown it before some months, but now it's time to take care. Guys, before 1 week and it was raining continuously, after 1 day, after 2 day, and continuously it was raining. That's why some grasses has been grown. You can just see, and the ladyfinger plants have been just covered by grasses. So now it's time to take care of these plants so that it will be so good and we can harvest the ladyfingers so good. And there are many plants, I will show you. Just see, this is bitter gourd. And guys, if I will tell anything wrong, please comment in the comment box. And these are, I don't know what thing, but these are some plants which are so good, and after some time we will harvest. And guys, wait, I will show you one more thing, that we have planted it before some months, approx before a year. These are papaya plant. I have given a lot of time for this, and always I just give water, and I always water these plants, because I will, after some time I will harvest these papaya. And guys, I will show you something new always also. And guys, we tell this plant old jimmican. I don't know what do you tell. Please comment in the comment box that in your area what do you call it. This is the plant. What do you call it? I don't know, but we call it all in Hindi. So I think this is very fabulous thing, and this vegetable is so good because from this we can find more fiber, and this is better than potato. I always prefer this vegetable instead of potato. So you can just see, and later I will show you one more thing. This is the plant of guava, and this guava plant is now flowering. You can just, and there is a small guavas also, so later we will harvest it. And one more thing, guys, we have planted this plant approx 10 months ago, and this is the plant of mango. You can just see that there is a small mango. You just see, and this is only one mango, and we have planted 4 plants of mangoes, but this is the only one plant who is giving fruit this year. So all the plants gave flower, but this is the only one plant who will give one mango. So I think this is best. We have to take care of these things a lot, and if you will see the condition of right now, you will see that why are you there. So let's see what is the condition of my place where I am standing. So guys, you can just see there is only grass everywhere, and I feel scared. Yet I came to record the video because practicing is more important than this place. So you can just see one mango plant is there, and another mango plant is here, and this was also this flowered. This plant also gave flower, but due to some reason, I don't know why, all the flowers fall down, and there is no fruit on this plant. I don't know why, but next time it will give flower as well as fruit too. So these are the plants of I don't know what do you call, we call it all in Hindi. So these are the best resources of fiber and many vitamins and minerals. So I always prefer this vegetable instead of potato, and its taste is also so good. So this was the little tour of my field, and I think you loved it, so and you learned something from this video. So please comment in the comment box that from where you are watching this video, and please tell me what do you call these plants in your area. So till then, take care of yourself and bye. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.